Hi everyone, hope you all are good, doing well. Welcome to our channel. Today we are going to show you how to fix a very common problem, a torn crotch in a trouser. I'm your host and I'll guide you through this process, simple process. As your trouser is new and you don't want to throw it away and waste it, so don't worry, it's an easy fix. So as you can see, the crotch seam has come undone, leaving a hole. So let's start the process. First, let's take a closer look of the tear. We need to determine if there's any missing fabric or if it is just a simple seam repair. There are two ways of repairing. First, you can simply turn it inside out and sew it from the tear part and it will be done. But if you choose this way, there will be a chance of tear again. Now there is another way to fix it. So let's take a look. Place your trouser on a table like this. Cut the extra seam line with the help of scissors like this, and simply just you have to do is to take a same color fabric piece take a same color fabric piece and fold it twice like this. Now fold the trouser and place the fabric with the crotch area like this. Now make a new seam line and now make a diagonal line from this area to this like this. Now simply cut it with the scissors. So here now we have 4 panels, 2 for front side and 2 for back side. Just separate them. We will attach it with the trouser like this. Now separate the panels and pin them together. Now they are ready. It is time to sew them. So let's start sewing. We will attach it with the trouser from this side like this. So let's start sewing. First we will sew it from here, the crotch line. Yes, we will sew it with the simple running stitch. Let's start it. We will use a strong thread and a simple running stitch. I hope you could understand. Now it's time to attach the panels with the trouser. Simply separate one side of the trouser, open it and place the fabric inside and sew it from here like this. If you guys are getting tired of dealing with the crotch tear again and again, then you should try this new method. You will like it. And please give us your reviews. Your reviews are most important things. I will show you the final look of the trouser after I complete it. So now you can see I attached the panels with the trouser. This is done from one side, and now let's make the other side with the same process, same method. Sew it from the one side and then from the other side. If you choose this way to fix it, the crotch seam will be strong and secure, and the tear will be completely gone. And the tear will not come again, promise. Yes, so the panels are attached. Now you can see they are done. Now place the trouser like this, and you can see now sew this area. So let's start. And this is almost done. Now let me show you the final look of the trouser. First cut this extra fabric from both sides. So let's check. Turn inside out and check what we have done. So here's the final look of the trouser. This is now good and look like the new one. The crotch seam is now stronger and secure. The tear is completely gone, you can see. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel. Bye bye. Take care.